Hello. It's me. Hi. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. Whop. I should be more careful with things from 40 years ago. I mean 30 years ago, sometime in the 80s. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some really cute stuff I thrifted and cleaned that is like 80s style home decor, 70s style home decor. Hope you enjoy, and yeah, after watching this video, of course, go ahead and check out my Instagram, Twitter, PO box, all that stuff is down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and let's get started on today's video. So let's get started talking about some of my special interest items that I've thrifted. Yeah, so I wonder what I should show you guys first. So I guess I'll start with this. Here is this little plaque I got. Everything here is mostly from the 80s. This 80s home decor haul. Can you see that? And it was made in 1979 by Hallmark. It was really cute. Me and my best friend went to the flea market and we were playing a game at the flea market. Whoever found the first Hallmark piece won. And of course she won because I wasn't paying attention because I was busy getting deals on My Little Pony G3s. Okay, trying to get more cute ponies because I definitely need more of those. But anyway, where should we hang this up, you guys? I cleaned all these pieces so they looked a lot dirtier before, but this was just my color. It was charming, these little mice. Because I have Fremont with me, I'm more sociable, so I have run into a lot more real friends, and I just thought this was really sweet. So yeah, good real friends are uplifting. So hi friends, I love you guys if you're watching. And for the next thing, in March, I went to a flea market in Dallas, Texas, and bought a lot of cool little trinkets. And lately I've been into brass, because that was a very 1980s staple. Like even these Avon earrings I have from the 80s. I think I got these at the Dallas market too. It's called First Monday Trade Days. That's what it was. And it was really fun. I got so much cute antique stuff for a good price. So yeah, I got some My Little Ponies, got some vintage pieces, got some vintage cosmetics. So yeah, and I got this little unicorn for about $14. So what do I use to clean it? I'm new to this brass thingy. She nasty a little bit. I need to screw her back in. She's a little wobbly. Wobble. But like, maybe I should get some brass cleaner? I don't know. What do you guys think? I want to make her super shiny. I want to bring her back to her 80s, 70s glory. Then I got this fan and I found this at the thrift store and I'm like, okay, time to get it. Look how I cleaned it and now it's just like super shiny. It's just like, gonna hang this up. Hello. It's me. Hi. So yeah, that's really pretty. Oh my god. So yeah, I'm gonna hang that up. It's got these little hooks back here. It's from the 1970s or 1960s or maybe even 50s. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's pretty cute. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Then we got some of these kawaii planters. Also got this at the Texas market. It's from the 50s or 60s. It's a nursery planter. So it definitely was like a baby shower gift. Do you guys think it's weird? Do you think I should keep it for the kawaii room? Because I got two of these. Yeah. So this one I got at a thrift store. This one is a block. It's super sweet. We've got a little bear. So yeah, what should we do? I thought they were interesting. This one still has the tag, half of the tag on the back. That's the thing with thrifting. You know, there's lots of cool things at the thrift. So yeah. And then we've got these gorgeous picture frames. So this is a solid brass one. Needs to get back in its little, I lost one of these pins that held it in. This is a solid brass frame. I got this at our local flea market. It's really cute. And then we got this one that's silver plated. I forgot where I got this one. I think I got it at a thrift store. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Why did we stop making these beautiful things? And then this one. So what do you guys think? I was thinking about putting some 80s themed, like I could put pictures of Cinderella. I could put a picture of Mishka in here or something kawaii. Do something pink for this and do black and white photos in these and hang them up. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul I got. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Go check out any of my other videos and like and comment, and yay, I finally got a video up. Go check out my Instagram if you want to see reels. Question, should I post my reels on my YouTube channel also? Gotta figure out how to do that. Okay.